What's up everybody, Chetan here. So today in this video I'll be showing you how beginners can get started with the Premiere Pro. So let's start the video. Okay, so when you will open the software you will see a window like this. So just go on the new project and name the project whatever you want. I'm naming here it as tutorial 2, and from here you can browse wherever you want to save your project file. Just hit OK, leave the rest of the setting and just hit OK. So here you will see four windows. The first window is the project window, the second is the source window, the third one is the program window where you can see the preview of your editing video, and the last one is the timeline where all your editing will be done. Here is the effects section because we are currently in the effects workspace. So all these are the workspaces. You can switch between these workspaces according to your edits. Okay, so now let's switch to the editing workspace because this is currently the effects workspace. Okay, if you won't find this editing workspace, just go on window, click on workspaces, and from here you can get your workspaces. So just go to the project window, double click inside the project window, a dialog box will open, and from here you can import clips in your Premiere Pro. So here I have imported my first clip in the Premiere Pro. So let's edit this clip. Okay, so double click this clip, the clip will open in the source window. Now you can hit mark in option to begin wherever you to begin from where you want the clip to be get started, and then you can go to the mark out option till where you want your clip and just drag and drop the clip into the timeline, and here you got your clip into the timeline by just dragging and dropping. So now again repeat the process. Let's import our second clip. Again repeat the same process, just open it in source window, mark in and mark out, and here if you want only video to be get imported in your timeline, just drag from this icon, drag video only, and drop it in your timeline. So now here we have our both the videos imported in our timeline. So let's say now here I have to create a transition in between these clips. So what I'll do, I'll just go to the project window, I'll click on these two arrows. Under the effect section, I'll get these all presets and video transitions. So under video transitions, I'll get all these inbuilt Premiere Pro presets. I'll select cross dissolve and just drag and drop between these two clips. So here I have a cross dissolve effect or transition in between these two clips. So now I have to change the speed of my second clip. So just right click on the clip, go to speed duration, and from here you can change the speed percentage of the clip if you want. Just hit OK, and now here I have changed the speed of my second clip. So let's say now I have to do color correction to my clip. So I'll just change my workspace to color, and from here you can play around with these settings to change color of your clip. You can change the temperature, and to give a matte look to your video you can just increase the blacks of your video, and this will give a matte look to your video. And you can play around with these settings to get desired color you want for your video. Now let's say you have to add text to your video. It's very simple. Just click on the T from the tool section and make the rectangle, and you can type whatever text you want. I'm typing here drummer, and select the text to make changes to it. So just go to the effect control panel, and under the effect control panel and in under the text section you can see all these settings where you can change the font of the text. And one thing, make sure that your text is selected, because until and unless your text is not selected, these changes won't work. So make sure that your text is selected. And let's select a font. Okay, so I'm selecting this font here, My font has been changed, and these are some presets for the alignments. And from here you can change the color of your text. I'm just keeping it to, let's keep it to the black. And so now you have to change the position of your text. So just select the selection tool and you can change the position of your text to your desired position. And one pro tip, always hit Ctrl plus S on your keyboard because you don't know when Premiere Pro can fuck up things. So always hit Ctrl plus S on your keyboard. Thanks for watching, and that's it. These were some basics of the Premiere Pro. Do subscribe to my channel, hit the thumbs up icon if you like this video, and press that bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video.